Very similar to last week's video, today is about another staking pool. PancakeBunny works together with PancakeSwap and Binance. In a few seconds, I will show why I got very excited about this project. At the moment they are an absolute yield monster. The numbers might go down a little. But let me show you why you should consider staking on Bunny. I was looking at PancakeBunny a few weeks ago, but the price was too high in my opinion. However, after the recent crash, look at what happened to the price of Bunny. It reached over $500 but had a massive drop now. To me, this looks like an excellent entry point with low risk. Wait until I show you the staking rewards. They are absolutely amazing. As I mentioned earlier, Bunny works together with PancakeSwap and also looks very similar. If you haven't watched our video on PancakeSwap, click the link on the top. Or watch it later. It's another great place where you can get a very high yield on your crypto. Bunny has also partnered with Binance, which gives them a lot of credit in terms of trust. You have the option to choose between the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum pool, as well as some other chains. At the moment I only use the Binance Smart Chain, because the fees aren't so high. If we take a look at the staking pools, some numbers are really high. I want to stake Bunny to earn wrapped BNB. With auto compounding, you can reach almost 250%. That's absolutely insane, but I don't think this number will remain so high forever. I definitely want to stake some crypto here. Before I connect my Trustwallet, there is one more thing I want to show you. In case you want to buy Bunny, the best way is to send BNB to your Trustwallet or MetaMask. Once you have done that, you can connect it to Bunny Finance. They will use PancakeSwap to convert your tokens without any extra fees. Alright, now I'm on my phone using the Trustwallet. Make sure to select the Binance Smart Chain up here. Otherwise you can't send BNB. I have already swapped BNB in exchange for Bunny. Let's scroll down and find the pool where we can earn wrapped BNB. Okay, got it. Now I'm gonna stake all my Bunny tokens in order to earn BNB. And don't forget to have a small amount of BNB in your Trustwallet to pay for the gas fees. Alright, 180 Bunny tokens staked. Let me check after one day how many BNB we have earned, so I can calculate the monthly rewards. After one day we got 0.04 BNB. If we multiply this number by 30, this would mean we earn 1.2 BNB per month. Amazing rewards. The price of Bunny has to stay stable, otherwise we would lose money. Maybe it will go down a little bit further, but I think we are near the bottom. And if it goes the other way, meaning the price of Bunny goes up, you would make insane gains. But you have to decide this for yourself since it can go both ways. What are your thoughts on Bunny? Are you going to stake some? Please let us know in the comments. Even though it's similar to PancakeSwap, we had to make a video about them since the entry point is so good now. My strategy is, if it goes down further I will buy more. The rewards are simply too juicy, and I can't resist them. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and we will see you next time.